Most AI tools let you create the transparent backgrounds, but the second you want to edit the image, you're jumping into Photoshop, removing the background again, and losing another 20 minutes of your life. Ideogram AI just killed that entire workflow, and honestly, I can't believe it took this long for someone to do this. Here's the painful cycle most designers know too well. You generate a logo, a sticker design in an AI tool. It looks great, but then you need to tweak it. Maybe swap out a word, change a color, add an element. So you download it, open another tool, make the edit, remove the background, re-export, and go back where you started. That's not a workflow. It's a punishment. Ideogram just dropped something called transparent image editing, and it's exactly what it sounds like. You open any image with a transparent background directly inside of an Ideogram. Type what you want changed in plain English, and it edits the image while keeping the transparency intact. No background removal, no extra tools, no extra steps. Just described it, done. And here's the kicker. This isn't locked behind a paid plan. It's available for every Instagram user, including free accounts. All right, so I'm going to inside of Ideogram AI, I'm going to go up here to the little search bar up here, and then I'm going to go ahead and type in a prompt. I'm going to go ahead and change it to a English bulldog instead of a pug bulldog. I have 2 English bulldogs, so it's going to be a little fun here for me. And then we'll just go ahead and copy this. We'll just keep that bulldog dog here. All right, English bulldog dog. Okay, we'll just check that out. English bulldog. Okay. All right, boom. And if you're unaware too, I'll have this down below in the description. It's gonna be a free download. It's basically you can see how I just do research, a lot of research here, and this nice little spreadsheet. It comes with the ideas for your sales, and then it comes with like a prompt suggestion. I grab the prompt suggestion from here, and I create this every week on the channel to help people understand how to put prompts into AI image generator like Ideogram AI. Okay, and then you can see like the competition score, and this is all research from Amazon. So if you click on the link, it'll take you to the actual listing and give you an idea of the actual listing itself. And then you come over here, the ideas behind it, and it will show you how to, enter a niche like that. So we'll come over here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the send, and it's gonna go ahead and generate the image for us. And this is a design that's kind of like a meme that's going viral on the internet, and people are buying it like crazy. That's going off the chain right now. And this is cool. Oh, you guys are kind of holding the hand. That's cool. This one's cool too. All right. So you can see how I generated like 4 different images for us. And it's a cool one. Oh, this one's cool. The background, the lights in the background, the glasses. This is cool. Let's go ahead. And so what we're going to do now is come over here to open the editor. We're going to go ahead and open this editor. Boom. Now we can add things to it. So this can apply for quite a few different things here. This can apply for, actually changing the whole graphic, text design, colors, logos, brands, or even, for example, just an image like this, and you want to put something on it like this. So for example, let's say add a cool green hat. Okay, something simple like that. And then it will literally inside the app, okay, inside an Ideogram, it's going to go ahead and generate another image. So we're building on top of what we already have. So if you like something, you like the concept behind it, now you can go ahead and build on top of it, which is very powerful because you go from creating one concept to 10 different concepts, right? So when it added, we can change the color of the hat if we don't like it. So now let's say we didn't want iced coffee. Change iced coffee to a warm cup of coffee. Let's see this. Let's see what happens. And boom, it did it. Now you can think of, change it to now we can change it to like a beer. Let's change it to a martini. Change it to a martini. Just having fun with it over here. You can literally think of 10 different concepts here, right? You just change it out different drinks. You can definitely do something like this. Different hat, different glasses. Bam. Okay, so I did all that. So that's pretty cool right there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and grab another prompt idea, which is this bull right here that we have, okay? Add it into here and let that generate, and let's go ahead and mess with this a bit. And if you're unaware too, Ideogram just dropped where you can actually remove the background of an image. Pretty simple, pretty easy within the prompt. So like, let's say if I wanted to add a transparent background, excuse me, okay? You can just literally put transparent background, and it will literally create a transparent background within the image. Pretty fast, pretty cool. So now on top of that, it's like building that and giving us more access to different tools, which is really awesome. My affiliate link for this Ideogram is going to be down below in the description. I get a kickback from that, just showing you the features and showing you how to actually use it for your business and make money, right? So look at, boom, it did it for us. Okay, so this is really cool. And then for example, let's come over here into the open in editor. I want to add a cowboy hat. Add a cowboy hat to the bowl. Top cowboy. Yep. Bam. It did a good job. That's crazy. And then you can come over here, hit to the download, and you can download in 4K, 2K, HD, or SD. So you upscale the image within here too, and you can see, what it does with the dimensions right there. And it's pretty cool. So you hit the download and boom, just goes straight to upscales it for you and downloads it to your computer. Powerful. So who is this actually built for? If you're in print on demand, you can now go from concept to production ready transparent PNG up to 8K resolution without ever leaving the platform. If you're a graphic designer or a brand creator, think logos, icons, badges, refined and exported clean in one place. And for content creators, overlay ready graphics for thumbnails, reels, and story just got a whole lot easier to make. Basically, if you ever needed a transparent image that wasn't quite right, this feature was built for you. The tools that win aren't always the ones with the flashiest features. They're the ones that remove the friction from your actual workflow. And Ideogram just removed a big one. Try it. It's free. Linked in the description. If this was useful, subscribe because I cover stuff like this every week. And drop a comment. What would you use the transparent image editing for? I'm genuinely curious. If you want to see how I use the latest feature with Ideogram AI, watch this video right here next. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.